Whoa, what is happening here with Canberra Energy? I mean, lost 40% today. But after hours, now at the time of this recording, up more than 30%. 30%. So what is actually going on with Canberra Energy following the short report we saw yesterday? And I mean, guys, whew, seems like we may be onto something here, because this stock already lost more than 70-80% of where it was actually trading and worth since October 1st. I mean, this was still around the $4 a share, and at the time it went all the way to intraday 4.85 or 65 or so. So based on the short report that came out yesterday, we have an additional 4 big names aside Kerridale Capital selling or short selling Canberra Energy. And one of the main idea here around Canberra Energy short report, it's about, well, danger of being delisted next month, but more importantly, Canberra Energy only real asset is 73% stake into Viking Energy, a company within a going concern warning. So we do have others main issues based on the short report posted yesterday, but it's also worth highlighting the fact that, well, the analyst that was or that will be paid in order to issue this short report will actually be compensated based on the performance on this short report. So a little bit of a conflict of interest here if you ask me, but I mean, who am I? Just a random guy doing videos on YouTube. But back to the whole thing. The short interest is still very, very high. I mean, AMC is one of the highly shorted stock here in the market now, and we have a short interest around 21%. So a 23.51% estimate, it's definitely very, very, very high. So my theory on what we can see here. So two things, either the big names or the big short sellers actually, you know, when you consider how high this was trading, we're talking about a 74% haircut. So maybe they say, you know what? I mean, we're good with 74% in 2 days. This is almost doubling your money in a short amount of time in a penny stock. So maybe they're out and they started covering, or you do have investors who just bought the dip. Well, not really investors, but traders. I will say that because this is really a short squeeze play. They bought the dip, and because they bought the dip, well, now the volume is also, I mean, not the volume, but the buying pressure is kind of pushing and fighting the selling pressure. Now, also keep in mind that this is after hours. So maybe this is just a low volume thing, as there's always into after hours session, and kind of, you know, pushing the gains so high after hours. But if we continue to see an uptrend on the gains after hours, because right now we are on a decline, but if you continue to see an uptrend on the after hours, it will be worthwhile checking pre-market. And even if pre-market will still up, you know, on pre-market tomorrow, definitely check the actual trading session. To end this, guys, I will say, because of the whole environment, and even though news and fundamentals are in favor of all stocks and energy, this is just a squeeze play. So be really, really careful, because I think we are on a FOMO phase here. I mean, with AMC and GameStop up after the first or the second pop, people are like, man, what if, and what you are asking that what if question, you are in FOMO mode. So getting in FOMO mode, it's really, really dangerous, because you may be ending being the bag holder. So I don't want that to happen to you, because it happened to me a couple of times on some crypto plays and it doesn't look good, trust me. So be really careful.